Hello! In today's experiment, we are going to be seeing if we can make boats out of plasticine. En experimento, nosotros hacemos boats con plasticine. To do this experiment, you need water, plasticine, and coins. Para hacerlo este experimento necesitan agua, plastilina y cambio efectivo, coins. All right. So, today, our hypothesis is, can we make plasticine float? Hoy, nosotros hipótesis es para hacer al plastilina flotador. Can you make plasticine float? This is, I think I can make my plasticine float by, sí, yo puedo hacer mi plasticine flotador como hace, pero ¿qué hace? If you think you cannot, look, here's my plasticine. It is in a ball. Oh, does it float? No. Can I make it float? Can I change it so that it will float? ¿Puedo hacer una cosa diferente entonces esto flotador? If you think no, I want you to write, si piense no, I want you to write no. So I think I can make my plasticine by no. I can't. No, I can't. Si no puedo, escriben esto solo. If you think you can, what can you do? Si puedo, ¿qué hace? Look like a boat by making it a boat. Making it a boat. Hacer eso un boat. Perdón, no sé boat en español. Okay, so our procedure says, step 1, take a ball of plasticine. So here's my plasticine. I'm going to roll it into a beautiful ball. Take a ball of plasticine and put it in the water. Oh, what happened? ¿Qué hace? It sank. It sinks. So I'm going to draw my plasticine right here. It sinks because the procedure says draw a picture of what happens. There. Now use the ball to make a boat that floats. Here is my ball. I'm going to make it into a boat shape. Let's see if it will float. Oh. Did it float? ¿Es flotador? No. Maybe I will make it even bigger. Going to take the bottom and make the bottom nice and big and flat. So here's my boat. Okay, let's see if my boat will work. Okay. It floats! Yay! Oh, slowly look. Some water's getting in my boat. And I learned by making things sink that if water gets inside, it will sink, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to make the parts around a little bit higher, so hopefully less water will get inside. Okay, that's much better. Now, it says, if it doesn't float the first time, keep trying. That's what we did. Did our first time, el primero vez, flotador? No. El segundo vez? No. Pero el tercero or cuatro? Yeah. It took 2 or 3 tries to make it float, but it floats now. Once your boat floats, begin adding coins to the boat until it sinks. Try to create a boat that can hold as many coins as possible. So, before I do that, I'm going to draw a picture, boat floats. So here is my boat, and here, the same plasticine that looks long like this, this one floats. Now here's some coins. 1 peso coins, 1 pesos. And, gonna have it up here so you can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 pesos. It's still flowing. Here's my half peso. Another half peso. So that's 6, 7 coins, 8 coins, 9 coins. Oh, that was 9 coins. Not 9 pesos because I had to start using my half peso, but 9 coins. So for me, my boat held 9 coins. How many coins could your boat hold? ¿Cuántos coins puedo hacer tu boat? How many coins can your boat do? Mine hold 9. Can you make your boat hold more than 9? Let me know. Conclusion. I learned that plasticine boats will float. My plasticine boat floated when it was big and flat on the bottom. My boat was big and flat on the bottom. When it is big and flat on the bottom. Now, why is that? ¿Por qué? What happened? ¿Qué hace con el plastilina? Plastilina, ¿qué hace? It is the same. Es el mismo plastilina, It is the same amount, but it looks different. Do you remember the word density? Densidad? Density is the amount of space an object takes up compared to the mass. So the amount of densidad es la cantidad de espacio que ocupa un objeto en comparación con su propia masa. The mass is the same. El masa es mismo, but the density is different. Pero la densidad es diferente. Because this takes up more space. Esto es más espacio de esto. When it looks like this, como hace esto, the density is high. Tiene mucha densidad. And because it has a lot of density, it sinks. Porque tiene mucha densidad, es hunde. But when it has a little bit of density, pero solo no tiene mucha densidad, when it is nice and flat, como yo hace esto, when it only has a little bit of density, it floats. Solo tengo un poco densidad, flotador. So we're changing the density. And nosotros cambia la densidad. And that is why it can float now. Y esto es porque el flotador, porque el masa es mismo. The mass is the same, but the density is different. El masa es mismo, pero la densidad son diferente. Oh, that is cool. Que padre. I hope to see you tomorrow as we do our next experiment. Bye. Mañana nosotros hacemos un otro experimento. Adiós.